Guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'll show you how to remove overstayed paint. This is paint which has been there for a very long time, maybe 1 month, 2 months. This one it's very easy. You don't have to apply any detergent, any chemicals. Just use a knife, any knife. You see, just like that, just like that. Just use a knife. Simple. No need applying chemicals. I've seen some people use thinner. Yeah, you can use it, but you see, thinner is good for paint which has not dried completely. Maybe that was done the same day. You use that immediately after spilling the paint. But if it has overstayed there until it has really dried up, then thinner will not work. Yeah, that's what I thought. Just like that, and it came out very easy. Yeah, after that, just wipe it. Wow, and it's clean. Still have small ones here. Yeah, all of it is out. As simple as that.